So the sponge cakes are out of the oven. Since I made 2 layers, I only cooked it for 20 minutes. I put a toothpick in after 20 minutes. It came out dry, so they were done. So this is what they look like. And they pop out so easily from the silicone pans. And so this is, 2 layers. But if you wanted to do one big cake, 1 layer, this is what it would be. So I'm going to use this. I'm actually going to use this for Carl's birthday cake this year. It's a big one. He wanted a chocolate cake with cannoli filling with blueberries on it. So I'm going to be making that for his birthday in a couple days. I just made the cake ahead of time. So, chocolate sponge cake. So versatile, so good when you're craving chocolate, and it's no nuts, no dairy. It's perfect. You need to try it.